Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado toast. First, select one ripe avocado that feels slightly soft when gently squeezed. Next, choose 2 slices of your preferred bread, such as a hearty whole wheat or sourdough. Finally, gather your basic seasonings, a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Now, let's prepare the star of our dish. Carefully slice your ripe avocado in half and remove the large pit. Using a spoon, scoop all the creamy green flesh into a small bowl. Then, take a fork and mash the avocado to your desired consistency, leaving some small chunks for a more satisfying bite. It's time to bring it all together. Pop your bread into the toaster and aim for a beautiful golden brown, ensuring a delightful crunch. Once toasted, generously spread the mashed avocado mixture evenly across each warm slice. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of red pepper flakes for a little kick. To elevate your avocado toast, consider adding some delicious finishing touches. A perfectly fried egg, some sliced cherry tomatoes, or a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning can truly enhance the flavor. A light drizzle of high-quality olive oil or a sweet balsamic glaze also works wonders. Remember to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.